Hello everyone, how are you all? Many students are facing problem in the assignment that was given for the chapter number 3, and we will discuss today the question number 3 of our assignment. Okay, so let's read the question first and get understand what is asking to us. So a man went to the market, a man went to the market which was 3 kilometers away from his home with a speed of 6, and then he instantly turns and walk back to the home with a 9 kilometers per hour. Okay, so we have to find the first, that is average velocity for the whole journey of 50 minutes. So if you notice that all the questions are asked with the average velocity or the average speed we also have to find out. Okay, so let's calculate some basic terms that are missing in this question. So according to question, let's suppose this is a home for a man, this is a home of man, and this is a marketplace, and the distance between them is given as 3 kilometers. Okay, so when he goes from home to market, he goes with the 6 kilometer per hour, and when he return back from market to the home, he come back with the 9 kilometer per hour. Okay, so let's first calculate the what is the time taken from home to the market. Okay, so we know the formula, that is velocity equal to displacement upon time. So what is the value of time? Let's call this time as t1 that he has taken from home to market. So it will be, distance is 3 and velocity is 6. So that will be 1 upon 2, that means half hour. Okay, half hours, or you can call t1 is equal to 30 minutes. Okay, now let's talk about what is the time taken by him in coming back to the home, that is from market to the home. So again let's use the formula, t2 will come equal to, the displacement is same, that is 3 upon 9, so that will be equal to 1 upon 3 hours. So again if you multiply it with the 60, then what we will get in minutes, that is 20 minutes. Okay, so what is the total time that he has taken? To going is 30 and to coming back is 20. So that means the total time taken by him was t1 plus t2, that is equal to 50 minutes. So in 50 minutes he has finally returned to the original initial position from where he started. Okay, so now let's talk about the first part. So the first part is asking us that what is the average velocity for the first 50 minutes. Okay, so we know that for the first part, if you want to find the average velocity, so this is equal to the displacement, that is the net displacement upon the time. So in 50 minutes, in same 50 minutes, we are seeing that he has finally returned to the initial position. So at initial position, the displacement will become 0 and the time was 50 minutes. Okay, you can also convert it to the hours also. Okay, so then also that 0 is upon something, that will be equal to 0 kilometers per hour. Okay, now similarly if we talk about the average velocity, okay, what is the average velocity? That is the, sorry, not average velocity, that is average speed. Okay, that is average speed. So that is equal to total length covered upon time taken. So the total length is not 0 because it will cover 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6 kilometer, and again take the 50 minutes but also convert it to the hours because that is in minutes and that is in kilometers. Okay, that is in kilometers. So we will divide it with the 60. So what you will get, that is 36 upon 5 kilometers per hour is your average speed. Okay, now come to the next part. Let's see what is asking us. So the next part is that what is the average velocity for 0 to 30 minutes of the journey. Okay, so the second part is 0 to 30 minutes. So as we have seen that in going to market from home to market, it has taken only 30 minutes. So that means the total distance covered by the body or that man is 3 kilometer, or you can also call displacement, that is also 3 kilometer. Okay, so what is the average velocity will be equal to, the next part was that is 0 to 30 minutes we have to say. So average velocity is equal to 30 upon that we have converted, that will become 3 upon 1 by 2, that will be equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Similarly, if we talk about average speed, so we know that it has covered the same distance at the same displacement, so it will also be 3 upon 30 upon 60. So that will again be same, that is 6 kilometer per hour. So in this case, both our average velocity and our average speed both are same. Okay. Now let's talk about the third part. So what is asked, that average velocity for 40 minutes of journey. Okay. Now in this question there is a certain trick, that it has taken 30 minutes to come to the market, and then he returned. So in returning, if we talk about 40 minutes, we can break it with 30 minutes plus 10 minutes. So what is the meaning of it? That is, for 30 minutes he went from home to market, okay, and then in 10 minutes he has already turned back, so must be he have traveled for the 10 minutes, but with what velocity? So the returning is 9, so that means you have to calculate what distance he has covered in 10 minutes by 9 kilometer per hour. So when you get this distance, so final what we will easily calculate our displacement and distance. Okay, so we know that he has covered 3 kilometer for 30 minutes. Now let's calculate for this. So it will be for 10 minutes, what is the distance covered? So the distance is equal to speed or velocity into time. So speed is 9 and time is 10 in minutes, so that why we will convert in with the hours. So that will be equal to 1.5 kilometer. So in more 10 minutes, that means after 30 minutes, the 10 minute duration, he covered 1.5 meter. That means he came somewhere else, some at this position. That is 1.5. That you can exactly say that it is, he is lying at the mid of the journey. Okay. So now let's calculate the average velocity. So average velocity is the displacement. So this was the initial position. So what is the final position of body now? That is, this was 1.5. So again this is also 3 minus 1.5. Okay. So this will be equal to again 1.5 kilometers, because it is already 1.5. So you will minus it and you will get 1.5. So it will be 1.5 kilometer upon total time taken. So what is the total time taken? That is 40 minutes upon 60. So you will get a value, that is 6 into 1.4 upon 4. That is 4.5 upon 2, or 2.25 kilometer per hour. Okay. So similarly, if we talk about average speed, so it is total distance upon total time. So what is the total distance? That is 3 plus 1.5 upon total time is again 40 minutes upon 60. So this will cancel out and it will be 4.5 into 3 by 2. That will be equal to 6.75 kilometer per hour. Okay, so in this way we can solve all the problems that are related to this part. Okay, so thank you everyone.